All right, good afternoon everyone. We're here at a big projects of ours, super excited, super pumped. We're gonna walk you through a couple of the various different services for this facility that we have offered. So if you take a look at this wall over there, for instance, that's some of our after products compared to before. Initially how things looked here. We saved it a little dirty for the video. One of our main things, and my passion over the years is really making sure that not only we protect your assets by maintaining, the cleanliness of everything to high detail, but also to maintain and upkeep the appearance of all of your facilities and properties to hopefully bring you guys more revenue and more business. One thing here that I want to talk about is not only the power washing services that we offer, along with a lot of the HVAC systems that we thoroughly clean. These are a lot of rooftop units here that you're seeing up on this roof. Something very important besides just power washing is we want to get rid of the root of the problem. So all those downspouts are going to be taken out, completely getting a thorough sweep and cleaning, along with the lips on the roof that you can see over there, those square parts. That's where the water runoff hits once it gets a little flooded here. And that will avoid and preserve your cleaning of your exterior property. So something I like to show a lot of our customers is after power washing and all that, you think you're done with the work, but if you can see the gutters here on the roof, how dirty they actually are. So in order to prevent the exterior of this facility becoming dirty and stained, we want to actually get the root cause of the problem and actually polish all of this dirt and grime up so it doesn't continue to leak onto the buildings.